All right, if you're someone like me that uses Structure, I am sure that one way or the other you must have heard of Stonebridge. But for the benefit of those that have not heard of Stonebridge, Stonebridge 2026 is out now. Now, let me give you a brief explanation of what Stonebridge does. Now, what Stonebridge will do for you is that Stonebridge will help to improve your structural detail drawings that is generated from Structure, right? Now, you agree with me that most of the time when you do your designs with Structure, the detailed drawing, some of the lines come in some tertiary kind of colors, right? Whereby when you print those drawings, it doesn't show very clearly on the sheet of paper, right? And then some of the annotations, like the text, some of the text looks very, very tiny, very, very small. And then the reinforcement bars, you agree with me that most of the time they come very, very tiny, right? Now you have to do a whole lot of work to do all of those editing. Now what Stonebridge will help you do is to improve your drawing that has already been generated by Structure. Now this particular version does not just work for alone. It actually also works for your Staad.pro, for your Orion 18 if you are a user of Orion 18, right? So you agree with me that most of the softwares that will generate your detailed drawing automatically for you, the detailed drawings, you have to do a lot of work on them before you can then print. So Stonebridge helps to improve your drawing automatically. All you need to do is just to copy that your drawing from Structure, and then you paste it inside any of the template. So let's say, for example, your design is on Pile Foundation. You can see this is a template for Pile Foundation. All I need to do is just to click on it, and then I wait for it to load. But mind you, it will interest you to know that you must have Microsoft Excel on your system, and you must also have AutoCAD on your system in order for you to do that. So if your job is on Pile, as you can see, you just open this Pile template. You can see this is an existing structural design that was done on Pile Foundation. This is a template, right? So what this template does for you is that when you paste your existing detailed drawing, it will automatically take the properties of the existing drawings that are here, right? So that is basically what the template actually does for you. So irrespective of whatever type of foundation that your design is on, as you can see, this captures literally all the types of foundation that you can think of. So pile foundation, slab raft foundation, beam raft foundation. If your design is on steel, for those that are into steel design, there is a template for this. So if you have your design and your design is steel, just click on this and it takes you there automatically. So you can see here there is a structural design report template. So if you click on this, it takes you to the templates for your reports. You know, definitely another thing again that I believe a lot of persons struggle with is their design report, right? How to be able to present their design reports correctly. So this is basically a template that helps you to do that. So I've clicked on it, so you wait for it to load. While we wait for that to load, similarly you can see we have a bar bending schedule. So if you want to generate a bending schedule, you can actually do that from here as well. So I'm going to copy a drawing and I'm going to paste on this template. I'm just going to copy just a normal detailed drawing that was generated by Structure, and then I'm going to paste that drawing here. So you can see this you can see this shape here, which I believe it's a rectangular shape here. All you need to do now is just to paste your drawing within this particular window in order for it to adopt this the properties of this entire detailed drawing that is here. So I have a drawing here which was done, which was generated by ProtaStructure. So I'm going to open this drawing, just double click on it, and then wait for it to load. So if you're a user of ProtaStructure like me, you agree that this is basically how the detailed drawing from ProtaStructure looks like. You can see this is a reinforcement bar that is here, but you can see this tiny black line is supposed to be for a reinforcement. You can see it's very, very tiny. So what Stonebridge will do for us is to improve all of this. So it has a way of improving your detailed drawing that has been generated already by this software. So like you know, whether you are using Prota or you are using Orion 18 or you are using Staad.pro, this template will serve you very, very well. So what I'm going to do now is to copy this drawing that is here, and then I'm going to paste it there. So to copy this, I am just going to, I can basically just highlight my drawings. Sorry. The system is gradually becoming too overloaded. Alright, so I'm just going to copy with base point. Click here. Let me just highlight the entire drawing, and then I'll take it to my Stonebridge, which is this, and then I'm going to paste the whole of this here. So immediately, once you paste it, you see automatically everything here has been improved. Everything is no longer looking like it was before. So you don't have to worry so much about improving your, you can see for your column as well, you can see the thickness of the reinforcement automatically has changed. You can also see this section here. You can see all of this has been improved. So this is basically what the Stonebridge will do for you. So but like I said, you know the type of foundation your design is on. This my design is on pad foundation, although I pasted it in pile foundation, which is not supposed to be. This is not the right template I'm supposed to use, but whatever, the essence of this is just to demonstrate in order for you to see how the Stonebridge actually works. So whatever you want to do, any of the templates you want to open, all you need to do is just to go to where it is, and then you click, and then you select the template you want to use, right? All right, so you see this is a 4-story building development. I've gotten these questions many times on how that people ask me about how to generate or how to present their drawings reports. So you can see this is basically a sample of your report that you can just copy from. So similarly, we can do for the bar bending schedule. So all you need to do is just to allow it to open. Alright, so for your bar bending schedule, let's say for your footing, the reinforcement thickness is 16. Now if you click on 16, you see automatically the total weight, which is in kilogram, will definitely change. You see every other information that is here will update automatically by itself. So you can use this to achieve your bar bending schedule for your footing, for your column, for your beam, and for your slab. Alright, so this is all I need to just say briefly on Stonebridge. You can drop a comment if you have more questions about it. My name is Abel Gray Kantoma. Make sure you like, share, and then you drop a comment. Subscribe and click the bell icon in order for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post great videos like this frequently, regularly, in order just to encourage as many that want to have a deeper insight of design. Make sure you stay safe and you stay blessed.